Cucumber salad is made throughout the world. Everybody has their take on it. One of my favorite is the Chinese pai wang gua, which is the smashed cucumber salad. Here I have the Persian cucumbers. You can use English or Japanese. I'm using about 1 pound and cut the end. Now you can use the back of the end of this to hit it, but I'm gonna use a pestle. Cut it in half, give it a rough chop. Just sprinkle a dash of sugar, salt, give a mix. Chinese black vinegar, sesame oil, light soy sauce, and sesame seeds, and optional chili oil. Mix this in well. It's aromatic, the sesame seeds, the chili oil.